Hey there, money-savvy teens. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to get rich as a teenager in 2024. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about some serious money hacks that could potentially earn you over $20,000 or more. So, if you're ready to level up your financial game, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some advanced strategies and tips to help you make the most out of your teenage years and start building your wealth early on. From side hustles to investment opportunities, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest methods to boost your bank account. Whether you're saving up for a dream vacation, your first car, or simply want to secure your financial future, this video is packed with valuable insights that can set you on the path to financial success. So, grab a pen and paper, take some notes, and get ready to unlock the secrets to becoming a money-making machine in 2024. Let's dive in. Back in the day, the idea of teenagers making serious money was almost unheard of. But times have changed, and with the rise of technology and the gig economy, opportunities for young entrepreneurs have never been more abundant. However, despite the potential for financial success, many teens face common obstacles when it comes to making money in today's fast-paced world. One major challenge is the lack of guidance and resources available to teenagers who want to start their own businesses or pursue lucrative ventures. Without proper knowledge and support, it can be daunting to navigate the complex world of finance and entrepreneurship. Additionally, societal norms and expectations may discourage young individuals from taking risks and exploring unconventional paths to wealth. On the flip side, the digital age has opened up a world of possibilities for teens looking to make money. From online freelancing gigs to social media influencer opportunities, the avenues for generating income are diverse and ever-expanding. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn and adapt, teenagers can harness these modern tools to carve out their own financial success stories. Key points. 1. Side hustles galore. Explore a variety of side hustle ideas tailored specifically for teenagers, such as freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, or social media management. These gigs can be lucrative and flexible, allowing you to earn money while still focusing on school or other commitments. 2. Investment insights. Learn about the power of investing early on and how even small amounts of money can grow significantly over time. Discover beginner-friendly investment options like index funds or robo-advisors that require minimal effort but offer great potential returns. 3. Entrepreneurial endeavors. Unleash your inner entrepreneur by starting a small business or launching a creative project. Whether it's selling handmade crafts online, creating a YouTube channel, or offering a unique service in your community, there are endless possibilities to turn your passion into profit. 4. Financial literacy tips. Brush up on essential financial skills like budgeting, saving, and managing debt. Understand the importance of setting financial goals, tracking expenses, and building a solid financial foundation for long-term success. 5. Mindset matters. Cultivate a growth mindset and embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Stay motivated, persistent, and open to new ideas and opportunities as you navigate the world of money-making as a teenager in 2024. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now, where were we? Exploration and insights. When it comes to getting rich as a teenager in 2024, the landscape is filled with both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, the digital age has democratized wealth building, offering teens access to a wide array of money-making avenues. However, with this abundance of options comes the risk of information overload and decision paralysis. How can teenagers sift through the noise and identify the most effective strategies for financial success? Moreover, the concept of getting rich as a teenager raises questions about the balance between financial ambition and personal well-being. Is the pursuit of wealth at a young age a form of empowerment or a potential source of stress and burnout? How can teenagers strike a healthy equilibrium between financial goals and mental health? As we look into the realm of money, hacks for teens in 2024, it's essential to consider not just the practical tactics for making money, but also the broader implications of wealth accumulation at a young age. Let's explore these multifaceted aspects further and spark a dialogue on the complexities of financial success in adolescence. So we've uncovered a treasure trove of money-making strategies for teenagers in 2024. From side hustles to investments, entrepreneurship to financial literacy, the path to getting rich as a teen is paved with exciting opportunities and valuable lessons. Remember, the key to financial success lies in taking action and staying committed to your goals. Whether you're starting a small business, investing in your future, or honing your financial skills, every step you take today can pave the way for a prosperous tomorrow. So, what's next for you? Will you dive headfirst into a new side hustle, explore the world of investing, or embark on a creative entrepreneurial journey? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 75 to choose from. Remember, the future is yours to shape, so go out there and make it rich.